Hi dear friend, we have today current affair for 2026 complete science and tech current affair for whole year 2024 2025 to 2026. First topic is gene editing. Why in news? India first gene editing C produced Kashmir University and ICR using CRISPR Cas9. It is also a gene editing tool CRISPR Cas9. Myostatin gene edit muscle growth 30% rate of the European Texel breed and absent in the Indian breed. No foreign DNA edit different from the transgenic animals. Gene editing basics. Definition of gene editing. Technology to change DNA sequence at one or more points. Scope. Removal change a single base or insert a new gene. Types of gene. Somatic editing alter the non-reproductive cell and changes not heritable. And germline editing alter reproductive cell and embryo change the heritable. Technique of gene editing. ZFN, zinc finger and nucleus cut DNA, early precise tools, TALEN, transcription activator like the nuclear cut DNA, flexible targeting, CRISPR, Cas9, RNA guide of Cas9 to DNA site, most popular and efficient, meganuclease, nuclear enzyme cut the DNA sections, rare and highly specific. India related to development in gene editing. First is the Birsa 0101, first indigenous CRISPR therapy for skull cell disease. Developed by CSIR IGIV. Tech transfer of the Serum Institute of India for scalable and affordable therapies. Named by the Birsa Munda in 150th birth anniversary. Mainly named on the Birsa Munda. Birsa Munda. Another in news, GlowCas9, developed by the Base Institute, Kolkata DST, CRISPR protein fused with the nano leucoference fragment, deep sea serum, emit light during the editing, help to track editing in the real time. Another is epigenome editing. Epigenome editing modify the epigenome's chemical mark, regulate the gene expression without alter the DNA sequence. Reversible changes safer than the traditional editings. Allow the precise control of gene activity. Some mnemonics for technique: ZTCM, ZFN, TALEN, CRISPR, and meganuclease. SEEP cases: agriculture plus biotechnic surgery, Birsa 101, health plus indigenous innovation, GlowCas cutting edge of Indian research, epigenome editing means future of safe reversible gene editing. Then another topic for us, GM crops. GM crops. Why news? Niti Aayog members called adopting GM crop to achieve self-sufficiency in edible oil. GM crops. Genetically modified organisms, DNA alter artificially for desirable traits, robustness, post-resistance, and yield. Mainly increasing the robustness, post-resistance, yield. Transgenic, subset of GMO, DNA from another species introduced. For example, Bt cotton contain gene from the Bacillus thuringiensis bacterium. Adoption status in India, Bt cotton. Only GM crops approved for cultivation. Bt brinjals cleared by GEAC but under the moratorium. GM mustard, DMH11 conditionally approved under the Supreme Court review. Regulatory framework of the GM crops, Food Safety and Standard Act 2006, prohibit import and manufacture sale of the GM foods without FSSAI approvals. RGCM, Review Committee on Genetic Manipulations. Under DBT, monitors research and development project involve gene monitoring. SBCC, State Biotechnology Coordination Committee, review the safety control measure and institution holding of GMO, Genetic Modify Organization. DLC, District Level Committee, inspect, investigate, report compliances of SBCC and GEAC, State Biotechnology Coordination Committee. Site Directed Nuclease DNA Genome Editing, SDN first, Mutagenesis without DNA template, SGN2 mutagenesis using DNA templates, SGN3 intersection of gene large DNA sequence using template. India Biosafety Regulation approved SG1 first, SGN2 for the general crops not considered since GMs since no foreign DNA. GM related news, genome editing rise. India first country to develop genome editing rice variety developed by the CRISPR Cas technology. Varieties RR Dhan 100 Kamla, ICR IRR Hyderabad, improved by the Samba Masuri by targeting CKX2 gene, control chitonin hormones, growth or cell division. Another is Pusa DST rice first, ICR IAR Delhi, improved for fine grains rice of MTU 1010. No foreign DNA, no GM crops, but the genome editing crops. Mnemonics for GM regulation FRST. FSSAI Act ban GM foods without approval. RCGM monitor research and development. SBCC state level safety review and DLSC district level compliances check. Then Genome India project. Parliamentary funding from Genome India project published the Nature Genetics. Highlight India efforts to map the unique genetic diversity. Genome India project Genesis initiated by the Department of Biotechnology with the collaboration of 20 plus institutions. What is the objectives? Build a comprehensive catalogs of genetic variation in Indian population, reflect India's unique diversity, useful for precision medicine, disease predictions, and public health. Data storage, Indian Biological Data Center, IBDC, Hyderabad, Haryana. First Indian National Life Science Data Repository support to DBT. Significance, help in the personalized medicine, understanding disease specificity, global genomic research, provide indigenous data security, store IBDC, not abroad. Mnemonics, God, G for Genome India, objectives, data center. Genesis, DBT plus 20 institution, objective, catalog genetic diversity, data center, IBDC, Hyderabad. Then another topic, gene drive technology. Genetic engineering technology alter the Mendelian inheritance, ensure specific genes are passed on, use, control mosquito vector-borne disease and crop pest. Key component, gene plus Cas9 enzymes and CRISPR. Significance, potential tool for public health and agriculture. Then another topic, organ on chip, OOC technology. Microscale system mimicking the human body environment. Cell growth on polymer chips found 3D structure resembling real tissue. Benefit, human relevant, ethical, cost effective, accurate drug testing, disease modeling, personalized medicines. Category, part of new approach methods. Then another topic is RNA silencing. Gene regulation mechanism, reduce gene expressions. Type, TGT, suppress transactions, PTGS, RNAi, degrade RNA after the transaction. Mechanism, small RNA, siRNA, miRNA bind to mRNA, destroy, block transition. Application, Germany, antiviral agent against the cucumber mosaic virus in bananas. Technique, HIGS, host indeed, SIGS, spray induced. Significance, plant immunity, crop yield protection. Then pangenomes, collection of genome sequence from the multiple individuals of same species, recent development. Chinese scientists Asian rice pangenomes using the PacBio hi-fi sequencing, smart long read application. In agriculture field, disease tolerance, climate resilience, precision medicine, popular specific genetic markup, human program project. Then Sukar gene, SHUKR, Sukar gene. Discovery, CSIR, CCMB, Hyderabad. Function, control F box genes, manage protein for healthy pollen. Significance, explain the Darwin abnormality mystery, sudden rise, success in of flower plants. Evolution, SUKUR plus F box gene evolve rapidly. Then DNA profiling, DNA fingerprinting. Identify the individuals via unique DNA patterns, non-coding VNTRs. methods. STR, short tandem repeats, mtDNA when nuclear DNA degraded, Y chromosome STR male lineage, SPN single base difference matched with the personalized item. Application use the Redford blast site for suspect victim identifications. Use where is used Redford blast site for suspect victim identification. Then another topic is jumping genomes, transferable elements. DNA sequence that move within genomes affect the gene expression. Mechanism cut paste and copy paste impact. Cause mutation alter the DNA amount human genomes. More than 50% compass of the transferable elements. Line 1 gene bind DNA during the cell division. India, ICR patented TNPBB based genome editing technology. Then we have another topic, chimeric antigen receptor T cell, CAR-T. CAR-T. Next, CAR-19, India first indigenous CAR-T therapy unveiled by the Prime Minister, developed by the B cell cancers and Immuno etc. by the IIT Bombay in cooperation with the Tata Memorial Hospital, supported by the DPT and BIRAC. Earlier, CDSO approved the Quatrami, another CAR-T therapy for blood cancer. What is the CAR-T therapy? Patient T cell collected from the blood, genetically modified in lab, engineered with the chimic antigen receptor CAR, modified T cell reinfused, recognize and attack cancer cell nature. Considering living drugs, cell continue to act inside the patient. What are the advantages of CAR-T cell? Long-term remissions, personalized treatment, short treatment duration entirely in 45 days. Challenges: cytokine release syndromes, excessive immune response and organ dysfunctions, antigen escapes, tumor evade therapy but losing target antigens, neurotoxicity, potential side effect of the nervous system, cost and infrastructure, high-end lab facility, affordability issue in India. Significance in India: indigenous development, affordable cancer care, boost the biotech ecosystems. Mnemonics for CAR: collect, alter, and refuse. Collect a T cell, alter the CR receptor, reinfuse the fight cancer. Then another topic is mitochondrial replacement therapy, MRT. Why news? UK clinic trial successfully protected 8 baby at risk of the inheriting mitochondrial disease via mitochondrial replacement therapy. First real world demonstration of MRT potential to reproductive medicine. Mitochondria. Mitochondria is known as cell of power plant of the cell. Generate more than 90% of cellular energy. Mitochondrial DNA separate from the nuclear DNA affect the energy production, not the physical traits. Disease. Faulty mitochondria, cell starve of energy, organ failure, life threatening. Inheritance exclusively maternals, mtDNA pass only from the mother to child. Mitochondrial displacement theory, MRT. IVF based technique replace mother abnormal mtDNA with the donor healthy mtDNA. Genetic composition of embryo, nuclear DNA from father plus mother, mitochondria from the donor woman. Result: the child has three distinct genetic material, popularly called as three parents baby. Techniques: maternal spindle transfer done before fertilization, pronuclear transfer PNT done after fertilization. Significance: prevent transmission of fatal mitochondrial disease, raise ethical debates, identity, genetic parenthood, long-term safety. Potential breakdown of assisted reproductive technology. Mnemonic, mnemonic MRT, mother risk tackled. Mitochondria faulty, disease risk, replacement with donor mtDNA, three parents baby outcome. Then we have another topic is stem cell. Stem cell extended from the adipose tissue, baby fat found in the aid healing of the osteoporosis related fractures in human. Osteoporosis disease that make bone weak and fragile. Stem cells, unspecialized cell for the self-renew identification. can differentiate into the specialized cell with the specific function. Source of human inner cell mass of the embryo, foetal tissue, embryonic cards, planta, cerebral adult organ. Type of the stem cell, pluripotent stem cells can be differentiated into all cell types of adult body. Embryonic stem cells found in the embryo 3 to 5 days post fertilization before implantation. Inner cell mass generate all the specialized tissue induced pluripotent stem cell created by introduce the embryonic genes into the somatic cells, for example skin cells, revert then to the stem cell like state. Then another stem cells is adult stem cells and differentiate cells on tissue organs. Differentiate into specialized cell types of the tissue and organ. Example neural stem cells, skin stem cells and hematopoietic stem cells. Related to news of the cell, animal stem cell is and biobank. National Institute of Animal Biotechnology, NIBE, Hyderabad, India first state of the art biobank and lab. Key feature: stem cell structure unit, 3D bioprint, bacterial culture lab, and cryostore facility. Significance: focus on the regenerative medicine and cellular therapist for livestock, advanced research in the disease modeling and tissue engineering, supported by the National Biopharma Mission under the DBT BIRAC. Then another topic we have the Phenomes India National Biobank. National Biobank inaugurated at the CSIR Institute of Genomic and Integrative Biology, the part of the Phenome India project. About the National Biobank, based on the UK Biobank, but the customized for the India genetic lifestyle diversity purpose. Aid for the early diagnosis, improve the therapeutic targeting, strengthen the high fight against the complex disease, diabetes, cancer, rare genetic disorders. Data utility, generate high resolution data, support AI driven diagnostic, gene guiding therapist. Coverage, collect genomic, lifestyle, and clinic data from 10,000 individuals. About the Phenome project in India, official name is Phenome India CSIR Health Cohort Knowledge Base PI Check. Launched by the Council of Scientific and Industrial Research CSIR. Objective: long-term data rich study tracking health trajectory and individual over the several years. Build the knowledge base for precision medical and public health. What is the phenome? Entire set of phenotype in cell, tissue, organism, or the species. Phenotype: observable physical characteristic, appearance, development, and behavior determined by the genotype, environmental influence. Mnemonic: BioD. Biobank diagnosis data. Biobank launched under the Phenome India diagnosis and therapeutic targeting data, genetic, lifestyle, and clinical over the 10,000 individual. Then another topic is biochemical makers. Recent development: India research identify the blood biochemical makers to detect the kidney complication in the diabetes patient. Definition: small molecules, sugar, amino acid, lipids produced during the metabolic process use the excess disease risk. For example, cholesterol test in the heart disease risk. Key component of the kidney complication detection: erythritol, myoinositol, and ribothiamidine. Another topic is National Biofoundry Networks. Launched in August 2025, marking first anniversary of BioE3 policy. Biofoundry automated facility integrated the DNA synthesis, gene editing, hide throughout the biomanufacturing. Objective: scale up proof of the concept. Objective: viable technology, strengthen India biomanufacturing ecosystem. Function: scaling up the research activity. Policy link: part of the BioE3 policy. BioE3 means biotechnology for economy, environment, and employment. India first biotechnology policy launch DBT, Ministry of Science and Technology. Focus area: precision, biotherapeutics, carbon capture, utilization, function foods, small protein. Then another topic is D project diverse epigenetic epidemiology partnership. Collaboration with CSIR, CCMB India plus Global Research Group. Epigenetic study of how behaviors and environment affect the gene function. Changes are desirable, do not alter DNA sequence but affect how DNA read. Project detail duration for 5 years, led by the University of Bristol, London, and CSIR CMBBT. Objective global health by the studying effect genomic environmental diversity on disease risk across the population. Then another topic we have the Bharat Jain. Ministry of Science and Technology launched the Bharat Jain Summits. Make India push the indigenous AI innovation in the Indian language. Nature of the Bharat Jain. India first AI based muter model LLM, large language model for Indian language. Initiative type public private partnership launched as a non-profit company with the DSTB funding framework. Development under the National Mission of Interdisciplinary Cyber Physical System. Implementation through the Technology Innovation Hub, Foundation of IoT and IoE at the IIT Bombay. 4 primary goals: Bharat centric LLM models, all 22 scheduled Indian language reflecting culture and tradition. Bharat Data Sugar, centralized repository and high quality Indian data for modeling building. Startup ecosystem and innovation, tool mentorship, collaboration for AI entrepreneurship, skilling and capacity building, strengthen India AI talent pool. Other AI initiative, India AI mission in 2024 implemented by the India AI IBD under the Digital India Corporation. Based on the several prayer, India AI governance guidelines related to the India AI mission, National AI portal, India AI. Joint venture of the MEITY and NEGD and NASSCOM. Airavat, Common Computer Platform AI Research Knowledge Assimilation. Global Partnership on AI, GPAI India is a founding member. Other initiative, National Strategy for AI, National AI Skilling Programs, UI AI Initiative, Srijan, General AI Center for Excellence. Global AI Initiatives, Europe AI Act 2024, first major AI regulations. Blackteaming Declaration, signed by 28 countries plus EU, share the understanding of frontier, risk and opportunity. G7 AI Pact 2027 framework and responsible for AI. Then we have another topic is deepfakes. US enacted takedown act to tackle the harmful deepfake online, reflect a growing global concern over the AI manipulated data. What are the deepfakes? Video, photo or audio recording that appear real but the AI manipulated, blurring reality versus fabrication. Technology. Use the deep learning techniques involve face replacement, facial expression, manipulation and speech synthesis. Potential application: entertainment, e-commerce, communication and education. Regulation in India: no specific deepfake law yet created. DPDT Act 2023 personalized creation for use of deepfake involving the personal data without consent. METY proposed the amendment of IT rules 2021 target the misuse of synthetically generating information, including the deepfake platform enabling SGI creation must ensure labeling or the permanent metadata identifiers. Mnemonics, FECR, face entertainment, commerce and regulation. Face manipulation, tag basis, entertainment use, commerce application, regulation, DPDP Act, IT Regulation Amendment Act. Other AI related development, biomolecular emulators, BioEMU first, developed by Microsoft and collaboration. Predict the full range of the protein shapes under the biological conditions. Significance: help in the drug discovery, protein engineering, and understanding disease mechanism. Then another topic is Alpha Genome, developed by Google DeepMind. Predict how individual mutation in human DNA affect the function and health. Build on the informer earlier genome model. Complement Alpha missions, categorize effect of the variant in the protein coding. Significance: precision medical genetic disease risk. AlphaFold developed by the Google DeepMind. Function: 3D protein structure for amino acid sequence. Impact: revolutionized biology. Use the Nobel laureate Demis Habisis and John Jumper. Application: understanding the protein foldings, drug designs, molecular biology breakthrough. C2S scales, cell to sentence scale. Developer Google DeepMind plus Yale University. Purpose: designing understanding the language of individual cell function. Interpret complex biological interaction at cellular level. Significance: advanced cell biology, disease modeling, and synthetic biology. Then another topic is Project Suncatcher, developed by Google, AI computing in space using the solar power satellite in the low Earth orbit. Significant sustainable AI infrastructure, space-based computing. Then the another topic is Ironwood, developed by Google, seventh generation Tensor Processing Unit (TPU), specialized by the ASIC for AI models purpose. Enhance the performance of large AI models. Significance. Hardware backbone for schooling frontier AI. Then Jevons and Solo paradox. Highlighted amid global AI adoptions, efficiency gains, resource cheaper, demand increase, AI computers. Solo paradox. Advanced tech adoption, computers AI does not always yield productivity gains. Significance. Raise question about the AI economic impacts. Thank you so much.